So I'm using a large cedar planter that I built. The plans are on my website. And then I put the base on a little platform. Depending on your situation, you may want to secure the base to the platform and then just start inserting your tree parts. Goes in easily, number one, and then screw it in place. Number two goes in just like that. And then the third piece right on top. And then start fluffing all the branches around and around and around. Keep going around all the way to the tippy top. After all the branches are fluffed, I added battery-operated fairy lights because we didn't have a power source outside, but this tree also comes pre-lit if you have a power source.